We are now under parallel arrangement of what? Of resistor. Now what you should note? Notes first. Notes. Write notes. Notes. In parallel arrangements, the potential difference is the same. The potential difference is the same for R1, R2, and R3. The potential difference is the same for R1, R2, and R3. This V is the potential difference. That potential difference is the same potential difference for R1, is still the same potential difference for R2, and it's still the same potential difference for what? R3. This potential difference, all of them have the same what? Potential difference. All of them are sharing this potential difference. That means the potential difference entering R1 is the same thing as the one entering R2, and it's the same thing as the one what for R3. Now, but for current is different. Current is what? Is different. Let's say this is what? I total now that is coming. When this I total that is coming, get to this junction. Get to this what? Get to this junction. This I total will now split. Okay? Part of it will enter R1, part of it will enter R2, and part of it will enter R3. Are you getting it down? So that means the current entering R1, the current entering R2, the current entering R3 are different. Well, for potential difference, it is what? For what? For parallel arrangement. But for series arrangement, it is different. Do you understand? Now, let's look up. What happens, you know, from Ohm's law, we have V equal to what? I what? IR. Okay? And you have what? V total equal to what? I total multiplied by what? R total. You know, I total, this one will not turn to what? I1, this one will turn to what? I2, and this one will turn to I3. So, and at the end of the day, you can get the I total from there. I say I total is equal to what? I1 plus what? I2 plus what? I3. Now, from here, you can get your I total. Your I total is what? Will be equal to what? V total all over what? R total. Isn't it? V total all over R total. I made I total the top of the formula. Do you understand? From V1 equal to I1 R1. You can make I1 the subject of the formula. And you have what? I1 equal to what? V1 all over what? R1. You can do the same thing for I2. I2 will be what? V2 all over what? R2. I3 will be equal to what? V3 all over what? R3. Do you understand? Are we following? What we did first is that I total, we add all of them. You know, since I total is the one that is different. And series arrangement, it is V that is different. That's why we added all the V. Now, in parallel, it is I that is different. That's why we are adding all of them. Okay? Now you have I1 plus I2 plus I3. You now substitute for I total from Ohm's law. You substitute for I1 from here. You substitute for I2 from here. You substitute for I3 from here. Now, after that now, let's substitute I1. Let's substitute I2. Let's substitute I3. I can clear that side. Total. From here now. You have what? V total all over what? R total. Okay? Which is equal to what? What's your I1? Your I1 is what? V1 all over R1 plus what is your I2? V2 all over what? Plus what is the I3? V3 all over what? R3. You know say, note, don't forget that V total is equal to what? V1. And also equal to what? V2. And also equal to what? V3. Because all of them are sharing this V. All of them are sharing the what? Are sharing this V. So that means the V that is entering R1 is still the same V that is entering I2. It's still the same thing that is what? I entering what? R3. So that means V total is equal to V1, is equal to V2, is equal to V3. Now, that means anywhere you see V1, you put V total. Anywhere you see V2, you put V total. Anywhere you see V3, you put V total. So at the end of the day, we have V total divided by what? R total equal to what? V1 is also what? V total all over what? R1 plus what? V total all over what? R2 plus what? V total all over what? R2. Now, at the end of the day, this V total multiplied by what? 1 all over R total equal to this V total. V total is common. You can bring them out. You can bring one out. You have V total into what? 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. This V total will not cancel this. At the end of the day, we have 1 over R total equal to what? 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Total. If it is more than that,